amazing things in the world in Luchuan.
Hey, look at those two girls over there. Maybe we can go interview them and ask them a few questions about Green River. So I heard a funny story about a mermaid who used to live in Luchuan a long time ago. Is that true?
Maybe. That just passed on by everybody as a story. Story said she would normally sing on that rock that looked like a turtle shell.
Wait! The earthquake is coming! Oh no! The train station is full down!
Oh, I don't love you anymore. Go anywhere you want. See you. Bye-bye.
You traitor!
My lovely princess, will you marry me?
Okay, but you have to complete the mission. There are 4 fruits on the train station. Give me the most precious one.
Jenny and Anne are going to buy herbal tea to play bitter tea game. So you have to concentrate on the expressions and find out who drank the bitter tea.
Let's play bitter tea game.
Okay, it sounds very fun.
Take out your phone, everybody. Please follow my Instagram. Phoebe is pretty. Woo!
Hi, you're selling mochi? I sell pancakes. Should we work together? Sure.
Here, selling mochi. Would you like to buy mochi?
No, buy some cakes. You want to buy some cakes? I see a lot of craters. Here, I love craters because I take a box inside. I want to conquer. I'm coming.